If you want to buy the best PowerXL air fryer, then you're in the right place. Out of all the different products on the market, I've narrowed down the best options to a top 5 list of PowerXL air fryer reviews. Let's see which products made the cut. Links to each product are in the description box below. The PowerXL SmartSynx dual-door air fryer oven is a game changer for your kitchen. With its innovative dual oven design, you can tackle multiple dishes at once. The upper oven boasts 3 rack locations and 10 cooking functions, perfect for baking, air frying, and even pizza making. Meanwhile, the lower oven offers 2 rack spots and 7 functions, ideal for sides and smaller portions. You'll appreciate the SmartSynx feature, which allows both ovens to finish cooking simultaneously. This is a lifesaver when you're juggling multiple components of a meal. Imagine air frying crispy chicken wings in the top while roasting vegetables to perfection below all time to finish together. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring a control knob, start-stop buttons, and oven-specific controls. The time and temperature display keeps you informed, ensuring precise cooking every time. You'll find yourself effortlessly switching between functions like bake, broil, toast, and roast with just a few taps. In the upper oven, you'll discover exclusive functions that elevate your cooking game. The grill function is perfect for achieving those coveted char marks on meats and vegetables. The toast function ensures even browning for your morning bagel. And the pizza function, it's a game changer for homemade pies, delivering a crispy crust and perfectly melted cheese. The stainless steel exterior gives this appliance a sleek, modern look that complements any kitchen decor. While it does take up considerable counter space, its versatility more than makes up for its size. You'll find yourself reaching for this multifunctional powerhouse daily, whether you're reheating leftovers, cooking a full family meal, or experimenting with new recipes. The PowerXL SmartSynx dual-door air fryer oven truly brings gourmet convenience to your fingertips. Next up in my PowerXL air fryer reviews roundup, we have the PowerXL Maxx 4-quart air fryer, which brings the crunch without the guilt. With its 1,200-watt rapid air technology, you'll enjoy crispy favorites using little to no oil. The superheated air circulates at high speed, reaching up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to give your food that golden fried texture you crave. You'll love the convenience of the LED digital display panel. It features 4 one-touch presets for air frying, French fries, broiling fish, and cooking chicken or steak. This takes the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures, so you can focus on enjoying your meal. The 4-quart nonstick fry basket is a game changer. It's spacious enough to fit a pound of French fries or 13 chicken wings in one go. The innovative air crisp vents ensure even crisping on all sides, so no more shaking or flipping mid-cook. Cleanup is a breeze with this air fryer. The crisper tray insert catches crumbs and drips, keeping the cooking chamber clean. Plus, the basket is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after meals. You'll appreciate the extras that come with your purchase. The air fryer cookbook, filled with recipes from PowerXL's Test Kitchen, will inspire you to try new dishes. The easy instruction manual helps you get started quickly, so you can begin air frying right away. Checking in at number 3 on my PowerXL air fryer review list, we have the PowerXL Grill Air Fryer Combo, which packs a punch with its 1,550-watt heating element. You'll find it quickly reaches temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for searing steaks or crisping up French fries. The 6-quart capacity means you can cook enough for the whole family in one go. You'll appreciate the versatility this appliance offers. Beyond air frying, you can grill, roast, bake, and even use it as a slow cooker. The stainless steel finish gives it a sleek look that complements most kitchen decor. Plus, the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. The push-button controls are intuitive, allowing you to easily switch between cooking modes. You'll find the temperature control feature particularly useful for precise cooking. Whether you're searing meat or slow cooking a stew, you can dial in the exact temperature you need. Measuring 19.6 inches by 16.2 inches by 13.4, this appliance does take up considerable counter space. However, its multifunctionality means you can replace several other kitchen gadgets, potentially saving space overall. The 21.3-pound weight makes it sturdy but not easily portable. You'll enjoy the convenience of dishwasher-safe parts, making post-cooking cleanup quick and easy. The included accessories expand your cooking options, letting you grill, fry, and bake with ease. With its combination of features and robust construction, the PowerXL Grill Air Fryer combo offers great value for your kitchen. Now for the runner-up, the PowerXL. Vortex Pro boasts a generous 10-quart capacity, making it ideal for families or those who love to entertain. You'll appreciate how easily you can cook larger portions or multiple dishes at once, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. With its sleek touch control panel, you can effortlessly adjust settings and monitor cooking progress. The intuitive interface allows you to select from various preset functions or customize your cooking preferences with ease. Temperature control is a standout feature of this air fryer. You can set it anywhere from 90 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to prepare a wide range of dishes. Whether you're crisping up fries or gently reheating leftovers, you'll have precise control over your cooking. The 1,700 watt output ensures rapid heating and efficient cooking. You'll notice shorter cooking times compared to traditional ovens, which means you can get dinner on the table faster. Plus, the high wattage contributes to that coveted crispy exterior on your favorite fried foods. While the stainless steel construction adds durability, it's worth noting that this air fryer isn't dishwasher safe. You'll need to clean it by hand, but the non-stick coating makes this task relatively simple. Just remember to use gentle cleaning tools to preserve the coating's integrity. So, what is the best PowerXL air fryer that you can buy? Here it is. The PowerXL Maxx 7-quart air fryer brings restaurant-quality fried foods to your home without the guilt. Its extra hot air fry technology circulates superheated air up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, creating that perfect golden brown exterior and juicy interior you crave. You'll be amazed at how it can replicate deep fried taste with up to 70% fewer calories from fat. With a generous 7-quart capacity, this air fryer is perfect for families or entertaining. You can easily fit a 3-pound chicken, 23 chicken wings, or even a 6-inch pizza inside. The non-stick basket and crisper tray insert make cleanup a breeze, and they're dishwasher safe for added convenience. You'll appreciate the user-friendly LED digital display panel featuring 7 one-touch presets. Whether you're air frying French fries, broiling fish, roasting vegetables, or baking desserts, this machine has you covered. The 1,700 watt rapid air technology ensures fast, even cooking every time. The PowerXL Maxx isn't just an air fryer, it's a multifunctional kitchen tool. Its 5-in-1 versatility allows you to air fry, broil, roast, bake, and prepare seafood with ease. You'll find yourself using it for everything from quick weeknight dinners to elaborate weekend brunches. Included with your purchase is a handy air fryer cookbook filled with recipes developed in PowerXL's test kitchen. You'll never run out of inspiration for delicious, healthier meals. The easy instruction manual will have you air frying like a pro in no time. And on that note, thanks for watching. You'll find the links to each product in the description box below. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this PowerXL Air Fryer Reviews Roundup.